Good morning. I hope you're fine. I'm super happy to share another video with you today. Today we are going to talk about reserve and collect and click and collect. You know better than me that Decathlon business model in India relies on different, new ways of selling. So we start for sure with our physical stores, pan India. We have also developed e-commerce thanks to Decathlon.in. We are trying to experiment, new opportunities with B2B, with teammate affiliation. We are working, also according to the fact of finding more partners and also selling with marketplaces, like Myntra. When we talk about the store, one of the challenges we face is the fact that the average size of a store in India is around 1,300 square meters, which is not so huge, And it means that we have a real difficulty to explain to the customers and the user that what they see inside the store layout is not reflecting the entire range, that Decathlon is providing. So the target today is to detail how we can better explain, the choice and the fact that the customer can access to every single model, that we sell online. So now we are going to detail together all the solutions we can implement, to promote the extension of range and try to share with the customer all the products that we cannot display inside the store, but that we are super happy to sell. One of the good examples is to use the pillars with a big, extension of range board where you can easily display, all the products which are not fitting in terms of space, inside the store. If you take the example of tents, we are not far from providing 20 models, so there is not even one store in India which can display all the range, So that's why we really need, to display this type of communication so that every single customer can find the products. The second solution that we encourage all the stores to display is when you are, suffering in terms of space, try to always display the small products. Like for instance on TT, we really believe that all the stores can display the mini table. But then when we talk about big, investment products, we really encourage to display the right communication. Like for instance the TT banners, that we provide for table tennis, so that every single customer will understand that we are not only proposing one mini table, but a full range of table, for all the users who are really seduced, by the TT and wants to discover the practice. After using the pillars, after using the long distance banner, there is also a third, solution to promote all the offer, is to invest in terms of layout communication. So the SignSport, like you can see for instance with kayaking, provide PLVs, some creatives, so that you can highlight, the products that you cannot display within your layout. And also, don't forget to print, the how to choose and the comparison guides, because on this small, communication, we always show all the models. So range 1, range 2, range 3. So even the smaller store, located in a tier 3 location, for instance, will be able to communicate, the entire choice that we provide for kayaks, for instance. So after detailing all the solutions, to promote extension of range, which are once again communication and are human power, inside the store, I would like to insist on one very important topic, which is the turnover share we can generate thanks to Reserve and Collect and Click and Collect. In India today, Reserve and Collect more or less represent 9% of our online TO share. And Click and Collect, is around 4-5%. So globally, if we consider both, options, we are around 15-16% of our online TO thanks to this, strategy. We can say that it is good, 15%, wow, it's not bad. But the problem is Decathlon United, Decathlon in Europe is around 40%. So we have a small problem, and it's all about our capacity, to explain to the users and to the customers, that finally you can find more than 5,000 products, inside the range. So we really encourage you to display all the communication and also to invest, on the human power. Because we have the welcomer strategy, we have all the sport leaders, we have some teammates at the welcome desk, we have some teammates at the post. So let's do it all together. I'm sure that we can do the same than in Europe, and it will help us to be also more profitable, in terms of the e-commerce. Thank you.